In the digital age that we live in, social media for business is no longer optional. It's an essential way to reach your customers, gain valuable insights, and grow your brand. So you want to know what the benefits are of using social media for your business? Well, first, consider that there are now more than 4.2 billion active social media users across the globe. If you're not taking advantage of social media within your digital marketing strategy, you're missing out on a fast, inexpensive, and effective way to reach almost half the world's population. Let's begin with the benefits of social media for brand building, starting with increasing your brand awareness. With over half of the world's population using social media, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter have become a natural place to reach new and highly targeted potential customers. Moving along to the second benefit social media has for brand building, humanize your brand. The ability to create real human connections is one of the key benefits of social media for business. Humanizing your brand could mean introducing your followers to the people who make up your company, or showcasing how existing customers are using and benefiting from your products or services. Regardless of what you do, you want to be authentic. Authenticity builds trust. Trust then in turn builds marketing receptiveness and drives new business. Another benefit of social media in building your brand is that no matter what industry your business is in, social media offers the opportunity to establish your brand as a thought leader, the go-to source of information on topics related to your niche. Now, while you're already in the lead, you might as well stay top of mind too. Did you know that 49% of social media users admit to logging into their accounts to check social media multiple times per day? Keep your posts entertaining and informative, and your followers will be glad to see your new content in their feeds, keeping you top of mind so you're their first stop when they're ready to make a purchase. Let's talk about social media and its benefits for business growth. Lead generation is such an important benefit of social media for business. Social media offers an easy and low commitment way for potential customers to express interest in your business and your products and services. And in a similar fashion, while social media is great for generating new leads, they are also great for boosting sales. Your social accounts are a critical part of your sales funnel, the process through which a new contact has the potential to become a new customer. This is called social selling. Another great perk of social media for your business is the control you're able to have over your communication. More specifically, your reputation management. Is someone saying something about your business that's not true? Be sure to share your side of the story in a polite and professional way. Is someone singing your praises? Send them plenty of thanks and draw attention to their kind words. Social media also allows your business to have control over customer service and customer support. Social media provides your business with the opportunity to communicate directly with your customers and answer any questions or concerns that they might have. Another benefit that social media offers for your business is the ability to gain insights. You can learn so much more about your customers. Social media generates a huge amount of data about your customers in real time, and you can use that information to make smarter business decisions. All of the major social networks offer analytics that provide demographic information about the people interacting with your account. This can help you tailor your social media marketing strategy to better speak to your real audience. While you can learn about your customers, you can also keep an eye on the competition. It's also important to know what people are saying about your competitors. For example, tracking mentions of your competitors might reveal pain points with their products or services that you could reach out to address, winning new customers in the process. Monitoring the competition on social media also means you'll be aware when your competitors launch new products, run promotions, and release new reports or data. And finally, social media allows you to stay on top of industry news. In the online world, things move very fast, and you can't afford to be left behind. Keeping a virtual ear to the ground through social listening is a way to stay informed about upcoming changes to your industry that could affect the way you do business. Brand building, growth, communication, and gaining insight are only few of the many benefits social media has to offer your business. So, are you ready to reap the benefits of social media?